To adjust how users check out and request resources, open the Settings menu and go to Checkouts and Requests. If you plan to use these features, confirm that they are both enabled. If a button shows disabled, click it to turn the feature on. Now you can customize the settings to best fit your school or library's needs. This includes how long items can be checked out, how many resources users can borrow at a time, how many times a title can be renewed, and how long a returned item stays on hold for the next requester before it becomes available again. Many schools choose shorter loan periods for digital titles to help keep popular content available. If a title isn't being used, it returns sooner, and if no one else is waiting, it can still be renewed. After making any updates, be sure to click Save so your changes take effect. If you would like your users to receive an email when a requested title becomes available, make sure push notifications are active in the General Settings Reader Options pane. Keep in mind, if you disable checkouts, requests will automatically be disabled. Any current checkouts will continue until they expire. If you disable requests, any active requests will be cleared, but checkouts won't be affected. Finally, if the backpack feature is turned off for your school, checkouts and requests can't be enabled. With just a few thoughtful adjustments, you can make it easier for your users to access content, stay engaged, and keep digital resources circulating smoothly.